Hey you guys, new day, new video. And in this video I'm gonna take you through my journey to restore this SH-1000 from Roland. I got this SH-1000 from a good friend. He gave it to me, and as you can see, the instrument has been through some rough times in his life. I don't know what's happened to it, but it doesn't look far from original, so that gave me the idea to restore this instrument in its full and old glory. I never restored a synthesizer before, so it might turn out to be one big failure, but hey, let's see. But before we're gonna continue to the story, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel if you like our videos, and hit the bell and you will be notified when we put a new video online. Okay, let's start with some facts. The SH-1000 dates from 1973 and it's Roland's very first synthesizer. With its color knobs, it a little bit looks like an organ, but it really is an analog synthesizer. It's monophonic, of course, with one single oscillator feeding a low-pass filter. It has an ADS-R envelope and two LFOs with sine, square and sample and hold. It also has white and pink noise, portamento. You can transpose an octave up and down, of course, and it has a random note generator. It has 10 presets built inside, which you can choose by the color knobs beneath, but you have also the possibility to create your own sounds. But first I'm gonna give you an example of what it sounds and what the problems are. It cracks a little bit, it makes a little bit of noise, but it's all functional, and I'm glad that it's start up and that it has sound, because if the electronics was broken, yeah, well, that's not a plan. So I'm luckily that it produces sound, and I will let you hear some of it. For the restoration cosmetic, that's a whole different story. I don't know the history of this synthesizer. I do know it is from the Netherlands. That's where I'm living. But that's it. So any of the history, I don't know. Maybe you guys, you do. Maybe you can recognize your synthesizer. Please give me a note below the comments. So as you can see, cosmetically, there is something happened to the left side of this synthesizer. The panel isn't original anymore, as you can see. It is rusty. This seems to be new. Someone made an attempt to make some wooden sideboard that don't match the other side. It's a little bit clumsy made, but this is fixable. So my plan is to look for some panel new, but I don't think that will happen. Another idea of mine is that I'm going to make a sticker with exact layout from this panel and just put it over it so it looks back to the original. I don't know if the measurements are the same as in the original, so that's something to find out as well. Like I said, the left side, this must be new. Someone painted this black, so that also must be new and or restore or refurbish or whatever. If you look at the back side, there is a slide jack missing, so that must be repaired too. So first things first, let's open this baby up. Well, thank you for watching this video, this part 1 of this video, and I'll see you in the next video when we open up this synthesizer.